Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Is this too bright? I don't know. Anyway, just trying this little ring light thing. I just washed my hair in the shower and I'm gonna try a wash and go. So my hair was straight for like a week or longer, and yeah, I had just been wearing little styles here and there. Yes, so good to be natural again. So I just washed it, kind of deep conditioned it, and I'm gonna go in with some leave-ins. I want to do a wash and go, and I got this Luster's S curl. Yeah, it was $4. So I saw a video, a girl used it. They used this product even in the jar, and then Eco Styler gel. So I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some leave-in in my hair. So I'm gonna start. I just bought this African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey, Coconut Milk and Honey, and Hydrate and Shine. Oh, we said you're supposed to shake it up first. Hold on. It smells good. So I'm just gonna spray this in there. I also have this one. I used to use this one and I haven't had it for a while, but usually when I do, just take a little bit like this and I just work it everywhere. I don't like to put a lot of that in there just because it may react weird with other products. Got some. It doesn't feel like a gel. Clip the rest out the way. I keep adding more because it doesn't feel like I'm putting this on. With the Eco Styler, my hair would have been way more defined by now, but just trying to make sure every strand is coated here. I have the back done. My curls look different when it's got Eco Styler on it, so my hair just isn't that defined. But on this side, it's more defined. Like, we have different types in here, but it's not stiff though. I still have all of this to go. Okay, I put all the product in my hair right here, and this is what it looks like. It's not really doing it for your girl, but got some body to it. That's good. I'm gonna let it dry and then come back. This is where we at right now. It's just more obvious, not, but the background is the same color as my hair. Y'all, it is the next day and this is my hair. It does feel pretty soft still, and it's just like a little, I don't know, they named like 3 oils and it definitely did a little oily thing to my hair. So yeah, again, definitely was no hold in that product, but it did like make my hair, I don't know if y'all know, it reminded me of how like old people wear their natural hair. Like, they put their product in there and then it just looks like that. But here we are. Like, I mean, honestly, if I had just like put a cute headband around, you know, it could have been cute, but this is not working for me. So we're about to start in the back and use the Eco Styler. Have my backup tub, so let's get to work. I'm gonna use as much as I normally use, which is like a big glob. So, ooh, that was a whole lot. I should've. Okay, that was too much. It's definitely too much. I'm gonna just work with my fingers. So here we are. I just finished applying this product and it took, I don't know if it took more than 30 minutes or what, but here we are. Trying to smooth it a little bit. Can't really close that eye real quick. If we dry like this and you know I get a little body right there, we good. We will be good. So now I'm gonna diffuse it in like 30 minutes or so. So that's that on that. Okay, came to another bathroom. See, half diffuser. This has been drying for I don't know how long, but see if I can get the wetness out. Okay, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like. It's dry. It's 11 o'clock at night, so it's been like this all day. It's some shrinkage, like, but it's not a whole lot. This is what it looks like. Every piece is mostly like they're individual pieces, so you know they're not, it's not super dry, not quite the wet look, but it's the defined look. I know over time my hair is gonna get rid of the crunch and I'm gonna stop touching it, so I'll come back and see how long this lasts. Okay, everybody, I look like a whole grandma, but this is how I slept with this pink bonnet, scotch bonnet. So yeah, and we still got curls on curls. I did pin it down right here because it was all in my face, and hair products be making you break out, but yeah, I mean, you just gotta do a little picky pick, but still it's not like hard, like it goes back into place. I'm impressed. Like, wait till my hair gets longer. If this is a wash and go that I can do for days, I'm gonna see how long it lasts, but I don't want to like mess it up too much. But anyway, got the little picky pick. Ow. You know, yeah, this ain't gonna work. Got a little movement in there. What you said? What's let me stop. But anyway, it just goes back into place. Is this another bobby pin or is it only one in here? I don't even know. Like if it was just Eco Styler gel, I wouldn't have gotten this result. But the difference is when I was doing this, I only really used like my fingers. I didn't comb it out unless there was a definite knot at the end. But I did not rake a brush through this, and I just separated like how the hair would naturally kind of clump together. But I like it. We on day 2 with it. Really day 3 into the complete style. End of day 2, still curly. I did have it pulled back, so it's kind of lost a little bit of that curliness right here, which is fine. I kind of liked it a little pulled back anyway, but it's cute. Still going strong. Hi guys, so we're actually on day 6. This is Saturday, so we started the process Monday, completed it on Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days with this style. Good still. Like, I just came back from a walk and I be sweating. Like, my roots are a little they're a little wet. But I've walked 3 times this week and this has lasted through 2.2 mile walks, and today I did 1.4 miles because it's about to rain and it's thundering and stuff and lightning. So this is where we are. Curls are still defined. It's holding up really good. I'm liking it a lot, y'all. Still got body. I don't really plan on washing my hair. I was gonna wash my hair when this style was old, but the older it gets, it has kind of like gotten a little bigger, you know. It's not really that much shrinkage. It's probably where my hair would normally do, but I like it a lot. I mean, come on y'all, you can't be mad at this. Like, I know I'm being extreme because I don't have long hair at all, but just the amount of movement in my hair, my twist outs don't have this much movement, and here we are with the movement. It's working. So thank y'all for watching my little Jel curl wash and go. It is a process, but it lasts. That's all I gotta say. It lasts. Like, I just would love to wear this style with my hair is longer. So thank y'all for watching. I will see you in my next video. I'll put in the comments like when this style actually expired, like no longer wearable. I'll let y'all know. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe for more. I know I'm a little inconsistent right now, but working on it.